Welcome, class. Those of you that are practicing Taekwondo with me on Saturdays, I'm going to leave this pre-recorded video so that you can catch up on your Taekwondo practice. As a review, or if you haven't had a chance to log in yet, this is the belt system that we use in Taekwondo, from white all the way to black. Another video I will make probably to explain a little bit more about that. Today I want to show you a few things that you can, if you haven't had a chance yet, that you can catch up with us, so that once you join, you can join us right at the point where we are right now. The first thing that we need to learn, let me stand up, is a few basic commands. Taekwondo comes from Korea, not Japan. Karate comes from Japan. Taekwondo comes from Korea. So the basic commands that you need to know that we have been practicing on the first few Saturdays are the basic commands are in Korean, and I'm going to explain to you what they mean. These are things that you need to know to test to go to white belt and up and yellow belt and up. So these are the things that we're getting ready to know. So we're going to learn the basic commands today, and also the white belt combinations, so that we can start practicing those, so that once you join the class next Saturday, you can be at the point where we are, as well as the front kick. Hopefully next Saturday we can start practicing the side kick. Okay, so let's stand up. So when we stand, the first command that you need to know is cho. Cho, your toes are pointing forward, your hands are behind your back, your feet are apart as wide as your shoulders. So not too close, not too far apart, as wide as your shoulders, and hands behind your back. So when the instructor says cho, this is how you stand. When the instructor says chariyo, your fists closed, your feet together, your back straight, chin up. Chariyo means attention. Between cho and chariyo, you move only the left leg. So cho, chariyo. Cho, chariyo. Okay? After chariyo, so that's cho, right? Number one, chariyo, attention. Number two, kinye, bow or salute. Kinye. So those are three. The last one, two more that you need to learn. Fighting position, chia, right leg back. And the last one we're going to learn is called dirodora, or switch. Dirodora, kia. Every time you hear dirodora, it means switch. So dirodora, kia. Usually we resort to switch stance, or if we're running or warming up in a circle, dirodora, kia, you start running in the other direction. So those are the first few basic commands. So let's practice them together. Cho, chariyo, kinye, fighting position, kia, dirodora, kia, dirodora, kia. Good. Then we're gonna start learning front punch, back punch, and front kick, which are the few things that we have been practicing so far. So when you're standing in fighting position, right leg is back, left leg is in front, left hand is in front, right hand is back. Front punch is with the front hand. Back punch is with the back hand, twisted the whole body. So front punch, back punch, front punch, back punch. Now if I switch, kia, now I have the other hand in front. Front punch, back punch, front punch, back punch. Then we started practicing the front kick. Leg comes up, toes are up, front kick. You lift the toes, because you do not want to kick like this and kick with your toes and hurt your toes. So you lift your toes and kick with the ball of your foot. Front kick. Front leg, front kick. Okay? So those are the basic commands now, and the front kick and the front punch and back punch. Now for white belt, we have 5 combinations. Today you're going to learn 3. 3 are the ones that you need to learn to pass to white belt. So you start on fighting position. White belt combination number 1 is front punch, advancing front punch. So when the instructor counts 1, front punch, 2, advancing front punch. Again, 1, front punch, 2, advancing front punch. You do it with the other side, same thing. Front punch, remember, is the hand that is in front. Front punch, 2, advancing front punch. That's white belt combination number 1. If we go to white belt combination number 2, it is back punch. Now with the back hand, not the front hand. Back punch, 2, advancing back punch. Back punch, advancing back punch is white belt combination number 2. And finally, white belt combination number 3 that you need to know is front kick, advancing front kick. Once again, front kick, advancing front kick. And we do that with both legs. Front kick, advancing front kick. Okay? So those are the 3 combinations that you need to know. Front punch, advancing front punch, number 1. White belt combination number 2. Front kick, back punch, advancing back punch. Number 3, front kick, advancing front kick. Next week we start practicing side kick, because white belt combination number 4 is side kick, advancing side kick. So we will practice a little bit more of front punch, back punch, back punch combination, front kick, and then we're going to start getting into practicing side kick. Once we learn all 5 white belt combinations, then we're going to start learning the white belt forms, and hopefully keep going up in the program in that way. So keep practicing these few things that you have learned, and I hope to see you next Saturday, either 11 to 12 or 12 to 1. Okay? So see you guys and have a good one. Bye.